I'm Alex and this is Justin, and we've taken time out of our working lives in Sydney to travel to some of Australia's most remote and beautiful places in our modified four-wheel drive, and we're filming our adventure along the way. In last week's episode, we took the coastal road from Coral Bay to Cape Range. Join us this week as we head into Exmouth, get a beer and pizza, and finally swim with whale sharks.
Alright, so
We're all dressed up with somewhere to go.
Yep, we've had showers, we're all frocked up, we're ready to go out.
Party time! No,
yeah.
we can't be out late, we've got early stuff.
Yeah, so we're going to go out to the brewery.
Whalebone Brewery.
Yep, and meet up with Alex's mates, Lauren and Charlie, who are travelling around WA at the moment.
Family friends from the UK that have been in Sydney for the last 4 years and are doing a last hurrah before moving back to the UK.
Yeah.
So yeah, some beers, some pizza, and then early to bed before swimming with whale sharks tomorrow.
And I'm also wearing my 30th birthday socks. Look at that. Alex is impressed.
I'm always impressed with you.
But you knew it wouldn't work, but I thank you for trying. Can only see so far.
So where are we going, Alex?
We haven't got up nits this time. Swimming with whale sharks, hopefully.
Yeah, whale sharks, dolphins, possibly turtles, fish.
Just many a snorkel trip on an awesome catamaran. It's going to be epic.
Is it catamaran or catamaran?
Moran. Not a meringue.
English people say it like it's meringue.
A catamaran.
Yeah.
Oh, whatever. Oh, you excited, Justin?
Yep. I'm gonna go swimming with some sharks.
They're not. I reckon you're going to lose your hat.
I reckon not.
You excited, Lauren?
I'm very excited.
How about you, Charlie?
I'm pretty excited, yeah.
Pretty excited.
We'll see if this video makes the cut.
You ready?
Not the best visibility, but cool. Cool to get out.
different whale sharks over 4 different swims.
Yep, I saw a turtle, I chased a reef shark.
Yeah, I put my head condom on to keep my ears safe.
You were safe.
Awesome day. We were pretty bad at getting footage as usual when you're surrounded by people. We still haven't got over our awkwardness fear of having a camera.
Looking like tits.
But today we're going back into Cape Range National Park with Lauren and Charlie. We're camping at Osprey campground.
Yep.
First stop is Turquoise Bay.
You know you're a real cool YouTuber when you've got your own merch, don't you?
Yeah. That's my breast.
That's a pretty cool shirt though.
Yeah,
Where did you get it?
From www.ordermytshirt.com. I don't know actually where we got it from. I think we got it from Vistaprint or something weird.
Oh.
Hook me up because I won't. Actually, I don't. I'm not going to order anybody else one.
As the snow tries to degrade, the sun deal with the rain, and the blades lie intertwining, like the time on interstate. The moon did turn you grey, in the days they were declining.
So we were at Osprey campground last night. Boy, she was warm. I woke up at 3 in the morning just boiling hot. Justin did not. He slept right through.
I'm sweating like a pig though.
Now.
Yeah.
But otherwise we had an awesome evening with Lauren and Charlie. Bit too many G&Ts, few too many wines. But we're now off to walk the Mandu Mandu Gorge before it gets too warm. Although it's already 30 degrees, it's 8 o'clock.
It's like 80–90% humidity.
Yeah, it's warm. But stunning campsite, you can just see the reef out the back, beautiful beach, beautiful sunset. Our final day in Cape Range and Exmouth. Finding the walk.
Good. It's hot already.
It's so warm. Stupid country. Why is it so hot?
I thought, is it 35 and it's 8:30?
Yeah, it's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. And I think we walked back along the top though, so maybe it won't be so many trip hazards. Justin's on his own little adventure down there somewhere.
The mountain goat.
Mountain goat, sociable mountain goat of Justin. So we're just at the top of Mandu Mandu Gorge. I've never sweated so much on a walk in my life. We've walked through the creek bed and now we're walking along the top of the gorge.
Sweat has overwhelmed my thick ass eyebrows.
Your thick ass eyebrows, eh?
Yeah, it's now in my eyes.
What is left of my blood? And I'll bet I'll be gone before this is done. To hide like a worm in the sun.
So we've just made it up the scenic drive to the Charles Knife Canyon Gorge lookout thing. Stunning.
Yep. Yeah, it's really cool. Really weird, massive range and gorges right on the coast.
You think of Exmouth because of swimming with whale sharks and the Ningaloo coast, but the actual range itself, you can't come here and not see it.
Yeah, I reckon it's better than the Flinders. Shots fired.
Shots fired, but actually this lookout's one of the best lookouts we've seen in a while, and you can look straight out over the ocean.
Yep.
I'm going to spin you around now, stop talking, and we'll show you.
Always said that you knew best, but could never get that timing. Can only go as far as the beating of your chest and the will to keep fighting.
We had an amazing time on Ningaloo Reef and really think this snorkeling is some of the best we've ever done. We also loved having some company. Join us next week as we head inland towards the Catarman.